global leader in sustainable sanitation. He is a UN top 10 global innovator with 30 plus years, sorry, you look younger, 30 plus years of international awards. He pioneered waterless and ultra-low flush 200 milliliter toilet technology, which I'm sure we'll hear about. His solutions have redefined water conservation and proved that sustainability and profitability can grow together. Let's see what Charles makes.
Well, you may call me the Loo King. What will you call me? Sorry? Hi, louder. Good looking. Well, do you want to hear the Loo King story? Yes. What do you want? Yes. I can't hear it. Yes. All right. Well, the whole thing started a few decades back when I was watching a Swedish documentary about Indian sanitation crisis, and where it showed a scavenger woman barefoot collecting human waste with her bare hands, no gloves, her exhaustion, her silent suffering, her short, painful life. It broke something, and I still have her in my memory, and wakened something stronger. That moment sparked a mission to restore dignity, protect water, and build a solution that could change lives. The journey was meaningful, but tough. Sleepless nights, financial strain, and constant doubts from people who couldn't see the vision I had. But I was not building just a business. I was building an impact-driven Sanicorn. A one-stop platform for sustainable water, sanitation, hygiene, and health solutions. My family and I made huge sacrifices, funding everything ourselves through our construction business and our pockets. I spent years traveling away from my children to help ECOLOO grow. It was my baby. I designed a solution that delivers dignity and simplicity. No smell, no touch, no sight of waste, no digging, no piping, no maintenance. It's like it's too good to be true, but it's true. And a valuable liquid fertilizer as the end product. Safe, water-saving, and environmentally sound solution. We are launching our new website and premium line of sustainable hygiene essentials in the next month as well. This solution you see here is the only most efficient flushing toilet in the world. It flushes only 0.1 liter of water on pee and 0.2 liters on poop. It's like a coffee cup. Those are the products we have also in the pipeline. So we have like one-stop solution, as I mentioned. We never used PR or advertising. We focused on real impact. We are now investment ready. having developed 18 innovative products and IP rights for indoor, outdoor, school, rural community, and even high-rise environments. We have been recognized by UN bodies, governments, global organizations, sustainability leaders, and the communities whose lives have transformed. Life we have transformed. Awards and innovation invitations have followed because ECOLOO work that others failed. This is ECOLOO, the number one in number two solutions, and a global pioneer in decentralized, sustainable waste management. Enjoy the music.
Plastic clouds so high. We look for answers beneath the sky. A throne that's green, a change of pace. ECOLOO's here to save this place. Say goodbye to the waste we know. Flush your guilt and let it go. Planet's calling, time to care. ECOLOO love is everywhere. From the earth we took and more we gave. Now it's time we all behave. The biodegradable dreams we share. ECOLOO legends we declare. Dripping beats like hope alive. Harmony sinking overdrive. Each flush of promise, each step of feet. ECOLOO rhythm under our feet. Say goodbye to the waste we know. Flush your guilt and let it go. Planet's calling, time to care. ECOLOO is everywhere. Hear the echo through the breeze, a future blooming endlessly. On your throne, your saving grace, ECOLOO love replenishes space. Say goodbye to the waste we know. Flush your guilt and let it go. Planet's calling, time to care. ECOLOO is everywhere. ECOLOO replenishes space.
Thank you. Wonderful presentation. We are under a time constraint now, as we have a VIP arriving. We need to do certain protocols. So I'll give you each just a brief moment to say in or out and a couple of points why.
It's in. We happen to know each other from before, and there are some things I think very worth getting into. So there will be. I'm not going to take more time than that.
Great. I think conflicts of interest, but good.
And then, because of the queries which you are constructing, we would definitely like to experiment with the rural community.
Thank you. I mean, as well, I think it's a systems approach. It just doesn't stop at waste capture. It's completed as well. Decentralized, modular, and assembled and captured in various places.
Thank you. Well, thank you. Great.
And here we would like to present to you the mementos. Will you please have the mementos on the stage? After this group photograph, we would like to present it. Let's have a round of applause for all these wonderful dignitaries. We are thankful to all those dignitaries and would like to present this memento from our side to them as a token of gratitude from our side. Here it is for our dignitaries. We must have your continuous round of applause for all the dignitaries. That's quite a shines on the